Here's the box. We unboxing? Period. So, first I got one of these marine shirts. I was about to say Marnie. One of these marine shirts. I think it comes in a little sleeve. Look like an umbrella sleeve. Not bad quality. It's a stretchy material. I got one of these. It's like the turtleneck type of vibe. So I got one of these shirts. Then I got a Haron Preston dress. That shirt is in an extra large because I'm top heavy. And then I got this dress, this Haron Preston dress. It's like a little regular t-shirt dress. It just got like the HPNY